Good morning, guys. Welcome to the illegal garage. So I got something in the mail from Mr. David Kirkham. I know some of you already know what it is. Most of you don't know what it is. I know some people are excited about it. Some people don't care about it because it's not original to the car. It's too modern to the car, but whatever. So I'm gonna do an unboxing just to see what it looks like, if it's not coming broken, if it's okay. We're all gonna see it all together. So that's it. I'm just gonna do a quick video of the unboxing of this Kirkham product. As you can see, it comes very well packaged. So we're gonna see. Hopefully, it's in one piece. Pretty sure it's gonna be. We're gonna see it together. There it is. A billet windshield from Kirkham Motorsports. See the glass? They even made the glass. I don't know if you can see it. The glass is made in Poland, especially for Kirkham. So it's gonna replace this crappy chrome one from China. I'm just gonna transfer all my stuff into that one. So I'm gonna remove this to see the other side. There it is. It's got all the same features as the original one with the channel on top. That's the channel. Got the Kirkham logo right there. It already has provisions. It has the holes for your wings if you're using the original hardware. It's got everything, guys. Much better quality. It's got the gasket. Well, that's it for today. I just wanted to do a quick unboxing of the billet Kirkham windshield. I'll put links in the description if you guys want to contact Mr. David Kirkham for one of your own. Thank you. This is the Legal Garage. Please like, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much. Bye.